I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Hello, hello. Just coming because today I will be so quick today. And today, this is the last time you might see me so relaxed and answering questions and all that. This is because this 2024 will be so hectic. There are many work piled up, so I might not have that concentration. So maybe around March, ending of February and around March. If you are here, just can you give us a thumbs up? Let's know who are here. Where are you watching me from? Where are you spending your Christmas? I think when you drop when you drop where you are, we'll know where you're spending your Christmas from. So tell me your name, tell me where you are watching us from. So let us know. So guys, it will be a quick one, but I think this light is so much. But I will try. This light is so much. It's affecting my eyes. So, um, the problem is there are many people, they want to eat fish. For instance, they have not caught fish and they want to buy spices for the fish. This is what the questions I'm seeing in Schengen visa. Hey, there are questions you don't ask when you are not inside the country. Let me tell you how immigration work. You don't go to British embassy in Nigeria and tell them, how can you stay after your studies? You understand where I'm going to? You'll be asking them. They have not even given you the study visa. You're asking them. So what do you want that person to think if you're an immigration officer? Someone is asking me, oh, I read there's no any switch. Let me tell you, I came to this country with study visa and I've not gone back till I got my citizenship. But I came with study. You study and go home. But how many Africans study and go home? How many are we? None, because study visa, just let us confess, we will do what others are doing to stay. Is it not? When you are getting a Schengen visa, don't start asking somebody, how can you switch? You are still in Africa and you are asking. Question you should ask when you are inside. You are asking about it, about the question. Oh God, you people make me laugh sometimes. And sometimes, when you open your mouth, I will know that you've not even done anything about immigration. You don't talk too much. Let me tell you the secret. Even if you are doing interview, don't talk too much. Immediately you start talking too much, my dear, you will give up yourself. Now you go just announce that you don't have any plan of coming back. So that is why I tell you people, let all your answers be one-liner. For instance, they ask you, what are you going to do in Finland or in Lithuania or in Estonia or in France or in Spain or in Czech Republic? If they ask you this question, what say that you've heard a lot of about their museums, their cultural heritage, and you want to go and see the places life, you want to feel it. Simple. Don't go and start talking. They ask you, can you afford your stay? Say, I want to spend only 14 days and come back to my family. Simple. Don't start telling them, because most of you Africans, you are poor, and sometimes you want to show people in Western world that you are rich. They should respect you. Let me tell you, if you're from Nigeria, is either you're from elite class or you are from the poorest of the poor, which all of us came from, because none of you people might be Dangote child or whatever. So these people know even the rich people struggle in that Africa. We don't have any basic amenities, nothing. They know all these things you want to show off. So your answers or anything anybody is asking about immigration is one line. Simple. Don't go and start talking too much. Learn how to answer question, a closed up question that There will be no any like, what do I mean by a closed up answer? Let me tell you what is a closed up answer. They ask you, okay, how do you want to, when you go to Finland, are you sure that you're going to come back? Of course, you will just shout, of course, you will come back, that you have home ties, you have your children back home, you have your wife, you start telling them what you have back home, that you must come back. Don't start telling them, oh, I'm thinking when I get there, don't give room for anybody to suspect you. One thing about immigration, once there's any sense of suspect, the visa is cancelled. They all know that people from third world countries, they want to get out. They know that the youth wants to get out. They know, we have told them that we are doing japa. They all know. Let me tell you, all these people in this consulate in Nigeria, in Africa, whether Kenya, anywhere they are, they know the country, because they talk with the politician. They know the country more than you people. The way they do their own media is not the way you can do. You are not expert in those kind of things. We don't know how to hide ourselves. They know all these things. They are just asking you all these questions to fulfill all righteousness. These people, they know the answers of most of the questions they are asking you. So it's better to shut your mouth, answer a question. Don't ever show or give open answers that you might not come back. And again, don't tell anybody that you're spending more than 14 days. You are only spending 14 days and coming back. Because the longer you spend, the longer you tell them that let me just start from number one. Now, let's talk about the proof of funds. One, they have said, if you're going to Germany, they want you to have 45 euros every day for your expenses. That is the benchmark, 45 euros. So when you come and tell them that you're spending 60 days, it is 45 days, no, 45 euros times 60 days. The money is going up. When you tell them you're spending only 14 days, they will times it with 45 euros times 14 days. That is why I'm always telling you people, stop at 14 days so that you will not struggle with the proof of funds. The more a day you add, they will be checking your hotel booking and checking the daily. Okay, let me just give you now. Lithuania said you will have 30 euros every day. France said that you have 35 every day. I think 35 or 40 every day. Germany said you must have 45 euros every day to spend on feeding alone. Then, I think it's Latvia that is cheap, 20 euros. And Czech Republic, I've forgotten. I will go and look it up. So now we are talking of Lithuania and Finland. They both have said that it's 30 euros. So let me tell you now. The 30 euros, the way they will check your proof of fund is this. 30 euros times 14 days, you told them that you're spending. So they will times it, which is 150 times, that's 150 is 7 days. No, 130 times 7 is how many? 210. So 30 times 7 is 210. Then 210 times 1 times 2 is 420 euros. That is on feeding and daily expenses. You see the way they calculate it. That is it. Then you got a room. You told them that the room you got is 40 euros or 50. Let's call it 50 euros. 14 days. It will be 350 for 7 days times another 350 days, because it's 2 weeks we have told them That is 700. You see the way the money is jumping up. 700 times, no, 700 plus 420 of daily expenses. We are now at 1,110 euros, because you will have to write somewhere that you're shopping. You will not tell them that you will use 200 euros to shop around, buy a Panarefia or whatever they are calling it, emblems of the country, whatever, because you're going to machine 200 euros. So the money now crept up to 1,310 euros. You see the way the money is jumping. This is where they calculate it inside. That is why I said, the more you talk cho and boast, the more they are pressing it in calculator for you. And after checking it, they will throw you out because you can't afford it. So now we have calculated feeding and accommodation. That is, we now have 1,110 plus the 200 euros for shopping. That's 1,310. I'm just telling you what they are doing inside. I will not tell you whether I've worked with them or not. No, I will not tell you that. Then you have now 1,310. The money, we are still coming. Then they will now ask you transport, because you will be moving around. You will say that you're going to. That is why I told you people in that Lithuania video, don't tell them that you're going from that country to another place. No, tell them that you're going to one city, because the more you say you want to move around, the more money they are. That's why that cover letter, anything you say in that cover letter, they will use your POF to judge it. If you go to the cover letter and tell them that you will visit